Yes, Massive and Crew Star Wars Remix results, not the results, but the stats from last week's polls have come through. Also now just opening the offline vote now, which is going to be open for 1 week. Going to be collecting all of the offline votes. Last week we had about 113 people vote on the round 1, and that's great, and all of the stats to be announced shortly. So far on this week's charts, we've got DJ DOMZ at number 1 with 17 votes. We've got John Tetley and JEMMA PELLEMMA tie 13 votes. Mr. Anchovy with 6 votes, and also Screw 6 votes. So we've got 2 ties, and we've got 1 person leading last week's poll, DJ DOMZ. So big up to DJ DOMZ. We've also still got to take into consideration the SoundCloud stats and the offline vote. Also guys, don't forget, if you want to change that decision there and you want to add to it and you want to help influence the final decision of this competition for round 2, please go and do the offline vote. It's in the description down below. I'm going to let that run for 1 week, and then I'm going to get all the stats together. Also still got the stats coming for round 1. Had a busy weekend, family round, etc. Granddad B, fuck Daddy B, Granddad B, and all them good things there. It's quality time with the family. So guys, without further ado, gonna have a quick recap of last week's entries. Big up.
Yo, J-Dub's like yo, Star Wars like yo.
Hi guys, I'm DJ DOMZ. Been DJing since 1993. I hope you like my track.
Hi, my name is M, or PELLEMMA. That's how you say it, like Gem, Apple, Emma. I know there's been some confusion there. I did this remix to just kind of get my work out there and have some fun with it, because I have a lot of trouble actually getting work out. Had a lot more I wanted to do, so if you guys are interested, I'll do a VIP for the Aim and Therapy crew, and hope you enjoy. Thanks.
Yeah, it's Busy B. It's your man John Tetley, and I need to win this sub pack because my neighbours have had enough, mate. They've had enough. So, Star Wars Remix, Aim and Therapy crew, love you, love you. Check this out.
The dark side of the Force.
Hi all, it's Anchovy here. So, why did I enter the competition? Well, there you go, I won last time. So, I actually thought, you know what, there's no way I'm going to win again. But I thought, you know, should I go in for it or not? But that's the wrong attitude really, isn't it? So it's all about just giving it a go and just taking part really. So that's what I did. So I hope you enjoyed my entry, and big up to the winner. Cheers for now. See you later.